Lovely, isn't it?
Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Love Sundays. I'm going to talk to you now before the car starts up again, because once this thing gets going you're not going to hear it. So we're heading up onto Dartmoor. It's like kind of like an abandoned airport up on Dartmoor that my dad wants to check out. And I said to him, as we're in Plymouth, we might as well take his car out. So the majority of this video today is going to be fairly noisy. Let's go. Where we're going. Probably can't hear any of this. That's all part of it.
And the banks that you see
Right.
up there are where they used to have their air raid shelters.
Oh right, okay.
Yeah.
So it would almost be worth
Right where we're parking here now,
getting the drones out.
sometimes you see rings in the floor where they used to tie the cheating down over the top.
Right, so there's actually a place called Crapstone, which is just up on Dartmoor, and apparently there's these bunker type things here. In the Second World War, they used to protect Plymouth Sound from air raids. It was just an excuse really, just to come out in Dad's car. So these are the sort of the bunkery type things, whatever they're called. If anyone knows, leave it in the comments. That were put here, obviously, like I said, to protect Plymouth Sound from air raids. But I think the best way to see it will be from the air. So I'm going to send the drone up. For all of you pony lovers, hello mate.
Hello.
They're pretty tame, these guys.
Hello.
I haven't got anything. Right, he's gonna eat my hand unless I give him something. Yeah.
Lovely, isn't it?
You're very soft and gentle, you are. Yeah, right. Dartmoor Ponies, another great reason to come here. Right, you take the car, Dad. I'm gonna ride home on one of these ponies. Look at that little pony over there, look. Oh, it's a dog. So there's a bit of information about where we are, but it's not a bin, is it? What's wrong with people? I mean, I don't know whether it's because of COVID and people just got lazy, but it's not a bin. I think I'm going to leave it there. Today's video was just a bit of fun, really. A little bit of history thrown in as well. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like it, share it, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers!